gonna open a Fabfitfun box. I'm here today.
What's your name?
Tristan.
And who am I?
Mommy.
So we're gonna open up our Fabfitfun box for 2022 summer 2022. And this is the largest box in a very long time. And he's gonna help me show you guys everything that's in here. He asked me if there was candy in here and I told him probably not, so.
I got it. It says, Wish for sleep mask?
Mm-hmm, firming sleep mask, good job.
Wish firming sleep mask.
Why are you giggling?
Because I'm blocking your face.
Okay, that's fine. So this is made with rosehip and lotus. It's an overnight smoothing moisture mask. And so it's supposed to help with dry skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. And you can put it all over your face and neck. And then it says rinse in the morning. Oh, it's a milky color and it smells really good. What's the next thing you want to show? Whoa.
This.
Wow, what is that?
Basket.
It's a cool woven basket tray for decor or a servingware. So I'm not really sure what we're gonna use it for, but maybe for the summertime when we have people over, I can use it. But for the meantime, maybe I can use it in the kitchen for some decorations, right? All right, and it's by who? Draper James.
What do you say?
What do you think of it? Do you like it? Okay.
Can I have it? Then we got these nice sunglasses.
Are those sunglasses?
This is the sunglasses package. Oh yeah, there are some. Oh, it's not. It's a watch. Guys, it's a watch. It's a watch.
Who's it by?
Monroe. Oh, here's the top.
What color is it?
Pink and gray.
Kind of like a rose gold. Do you know that name? It's a beautiful watch.
And on the back.
Mm-hmm.
What's that line?
Well, I think it's a sticker.
Next up is... What is the name?
It's at the top.
Ingrown hair pads? Ingrown hair pads?
Mm-hmm. Ingrown hair pads.
Ingrown hair pads.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
It's by First Aid Beauty. And obviously, if you're shaving or have issues with ingrown hair, these pads are going to help you with that issue.
Yeah.
These are made with BHA and AHA. Also another First Aid Beauty product in here, and this is their famous KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I've seen so many people review this online and just rave about it, so I am so excited. Oh, the cap is on it still. Ah, it's so much fun recording with kids.
DNA.
DNA what?
Time, dive,
Defying
cream, and
age. What do you think that's for?
for cream.
Yeah, why do you want to use cream on your face? What does anti-aging mean?
It helps you put cream on your face.
Is that how you put cream on your face? Oh, so good. We gotta have a skin routine up for me. Wow, look at that packaging. It's amazing. All right, so this lessens the look of wrinkles and it helps plump your skin, helps the look of sagging skin, loss of volume, density, and wrinkles. It says after 2 weeks.
KO.
KO what?
KO body scrubbing apuda corobol.
Good job. I think that's French. Okay, this is a KO body scrubber. Whoa! That looks cool. Oh yeah, that's great. So it's a silicone, it looks like it's a silicone body scrubber for the bath or the shower.
Shower. Desk pad Baruda.
So currently this is what my desktop looks like. Okay, so this is pretty cute. Even though this looks a little bit busy, I kind of like it because I still want to have the little resting parts for my wrists. I think I need to clean those little pads off. If you have any suggestions on how to do that, let me know. But I think this looks pretty good for the time being. I definitely want to get a bigger keyboard. Last product, I opted to get this Foxy Bay Rose Gold blowout dryer brush. So this brush is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I love this oval shape. I don't have anything like this already. I do have one that turns, but it's more round shape. It has 3 settings, which is cold, setting 1, and then setting 2. I've already used it a couple times. It's not too loud, and I got the most amazing blowout. Leave me a comment below if you want to see a video of me using this hair drying brush by Foxy Bay. All right, so that wraps up this video. If you stayed this long, regardless of whether my son was just hamming it up on the camera, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Also follow me on other social media, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.